In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at a quite new function in DaVinci Resolve 20, introduced in version 20.3, and that's the Insert a Gap feature. So insert a gap, if I move my playhead, will split my clip at the playhead point here, and it will move all the subsequent media to the right. So it will create a sort of open area in the timeline, which acts as, well, it's a faster alternative than manually selecting the clips and dragging it to the right. So this one will quickly insert it and open up the time, and it also ensures the timeline sync. So if you want to add a gap, you can go to Edit, and then here at the bottom you can see Insert a Gap. So now DaVinci has created a gap at the point where my playhead was and moved all the subsequent media to the right. You can configure the standard duration of this gap by going to DaVinci Resolve and then going to Preferences, and then in the User option here in the Editing part, you can change your standard still duration. Now, you cannot change the standard duration of the gap time apart from this standard still duration. I know lots of people are asking for a separate option to configure your gap time, but as of now, it's not here yet. So if you want to edit your standard gap duration, you will have to adjust the standard still duration. And then you can also create a shortcut key if you want to by going to DaVinci Resolve and then choosing keyboard customization. And then here you can search for gap. And then we have Insert a Gap. And if you click it, you can give in your keystroke that you want to use. But that's how you can easily create a gap inside of your footage in DaVinci Resolve 20. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.